Presenting the 2013 Chevrolet Impala LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, steering wheel audio controls, bucket seats, power driver's seat and rear bench seat. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.